Raspberry Pi 4 vs Raspberry Pi 3, what's new and improved? Raspberry Pi 4 processor Broadcom BCM2711, quad-core Cortex-A72, ARM v8 64-bit socket 1, 5 GHz. Raspberry Pi 3 processor Broadcom BCM2837B0, Cortex-A53, ARM v8 64-bit socket 1, 4 GHz. Memory Raspberry Pi 4 1GB, 2GB, or 4GB LPDDR4-2400 SDRAM, depending on model. Memory Raspberry Pi 3 1GB LPDDR2 SDRAM. Connectivity Raspberry Pi 4 2 USB 3 ports, 2 USB 2 ports. Connectivity Raspberry Pi 3 4 USB 2 ports. Video and sound Raspberry Pi 4 2 micro-HDMI ports, up to 4K P60 supported. Video and sound Raspberry Pi 3 1 full-size HDMI port.